Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and for this holiday season, I am on a mission to not purchase a lot of new items without going through my storage closet first and seeing what items I have in there. It's not an overwhelming amount, but I do know I have items that I never opened, and this time I found some teeny tinies that have been in there for over a year, so we're going to open those together today. First up is the Teeny Tinies Kitchenette set. I purchased this set at 5 and Below about a year ago for only $5, but did you guys know that the Dollar Tree has started getting teeny tiny sets? I've only seen the Bazooka Gum and I think the Smarty set, but they are also $5 at the Dollar Tree. I always love how they have these inserts in the back of the packaging that you can use as a background. This one has a blue hue and it is a picture of a kitchen. There's a yellow kettle or a pot on the stove, a microwave. We see an oven and some utensils. Our kitchenette has two sections and the colors are gray, blue, and yellow. And if you look closely, the blue that is used on the appliances is different than the blue on the backsplash. The backsplash is more of a aqua blue, and this I think is more of a sky blue. On the left side, we do have a shelf at the top so we can store some items. Below the shelf, there's a microwave and the door does open, and there's a turntable inside. Just below the microwave is the hood for the exhaust vent, and mine keeps falling off. There are two pegs that hold it in place. I'll just add some glue later, and that just may be a small defect on mine. On the upper right, we have some cabinet doors. Inside the cabinet, we have two shelves where we can store some pantry items. On the lower left, we have our stovetop with 4 burners and our oven with a door with clear glass, and our door can open. And we have 2 racks, and the racks do not come out. Just below the oven door, we do have a drawer that pulls out. On the lower right, we do have a countertop so we can prep some meals, and we have a dishwasher with a door that opens. This kitchenette is only 7 inches tall, so it's going to work better with dolls that are around the size of a Chelsea doll. So any dolls that are between 5 and 6 inches. This set does come with quite a few accessories. You get a blueberry pie, and I think the pie would work with a 1/6 scale doll. A pan of muffins, and they look like maybe they're chocolate chip or blueberry. And like the pie, I think these could work with a 1/6 scale doll. There's a pot of herbs, although they all look the same. The labels are basil, rosemary, and mint. A small pan with a loaf of bread molded on top, and I'll definitely have to touch up the paint job on the bread. We also get a few pantry items like a box of pasta, a box of pancake mix, a bag of popcorn. We didn't get a refrigerator with the set, but we did get some frozen items like this pizza and frozen mini dogs. We also get some cooking utensils. There's a ladle. And I forgot to show you guys, there are little hooks under here to hang the utensils. And I'm not sure if I can get my fingers underneath there to hook this. Nope. I did get the ladle to hang, but I had to do it off camera. We get a rolling pin, a frying pan, and it looks like the bottom is just a sticker, a pot with a removable lid, and a kettle. I think this is a very cute set, and for $5 you get quite a few items, but unfortunately I don't think you can find this in stores anymore. You might have to search online for this set. The next teeny tiny set I found in my storage closet is the Holiday Party set, and I think I want to change my background before I open this set. I felt like the pieces in the holiday set are bigger than the ones in the kitchenette set, so I wanted to go with my larger kitchen. We got another background inside of the packaging. This one is of a living room decorated for Christmas, and I think this one would have been so nice without the red hue over the entire picture. The first item in this set is a plate of mince pies. There's a star design on top of them. There's a fruit cake attached to a plate, and you can see one side has been sliced, exposing all of the dried fruit inside. A pumpkin pie with a dollop of whipped cream on top. And mine does have some little imperfections, but I like that. It almost looks like the little cracks that you get when you bake the pumpkin pie. You have 3 presents that are attached, but they can be taken apart. So you just have to pull them apart like this, and there goes the pumpkin pie. But there's just these little pegs that stick together. We have a white pan with mac and cheese, but the mac and cheese is just a sticker. There's a couple of donuts. We have this one that is iced to look like a snowman, and this one that has a Christmas tree on it. There's also some sugar cookies. We have one shaped like a Christmas tree ornament. It's blue with a white snowflake. The other sugar cookie is shaped like a candy cane, and it's blue and kind of a tan color. We also have a frosting bag. There's 3 cookies stuck together. I think they're chocolate chip. A holiday cracker. And this is very rubbery. A cup of milk with a straw. Hot cocoa mix. A cup of hot cocoa. We have lamb, and it looks like it's plated with a sauce on top. We have a large ham. On the side, looks like some pineapple rings, some green garnish, and a few slices of ham on the front. There's a bottle of sprinkles, a large container of wafer twist. The top can't come off, but I do like the details on the label. If you look closely, there's supposed to be 5 different flavors in the container. And there's a cutting board with some cookie dough, some cookie cutters, and it looks like some of the dough has already been cut out. There's some peppermints and a rolling pin. The cutting board isn't finished on the back side, so that's kind of a bummer, but it does look really nice on the front. What's in here? Ham, potato salad. I bet Roger ate all the cake. Ooh, pie. Ah! Tanja, I'm sorry. I won't eat the pumpkin pie. Sharon? Oh my God, you scared me. I thought someone had broken into my house. I just stopped over for some Thanksgiving leftovers. I didn't know you were so stingy. Jeez. It's just a little pie. Stingy? I tried to give you leftovers to take home with you. Wait a minute. How did you get in my house? I used my key. I never gave you a key to my house, so how did you get a key? Oh, I have keys to all the buildings in town. And Tanja, I really don't feel like answering any more questions right now. I just want to eat. Sharon, you just came into my house with a key I didn't give you, and you told me you have keys to all the buildings in town? Oh, you answering some questions today, girl. Well, can I at least eat the pie while I tell you? Fine. Start talking. It all started the night you burnt the corn maze down. When we were leaving, let me know in the comments, do you always open your items as soon as you get them? Or do you sometimes do like I do, store them away and open them a lot later? So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.